Hey guys, welcome to the Drift Gang. My name's Matt, and today's a big day because this is my drift car that has been sitting in this garage completely abandoned for the past year and a half, a little bit less than that. Either way, the car hasn't run in a year. The spring is coming. We have to start working on the thing because I really am itching to get some tandems in. I want to drift. I haven't done it in a very long time. So this, in a way, is day one of the rebirth of this thing. Right, so without wasting any time, let's just jump straight into it and kick it off with an oil change. It seems okay, but I don't trust it. Be right back. Alright. Here we go. Will this work? Come on. Yeah, I'm not so sure about that. Ooh. That does not sound good. Well, if it breaks, that's content. Come on. Right. This side is officially in the air. Whoa. That was stupid. Right, let's go. Got my tray. These things, absolute MVPs, by the way. So glad I bought it. In we go. Oh, under the belly of the beast. Hey, it's been a while since I've last visited this place. Whoa. All right, here she goes. Woo. Hey, not a single drop on me. That's good. Unexpected, but good. Whoa, that sucked. In fact, while it's raining, let's fuel the car up. That makes sense. Stay. Whoa. Right. Stay. Now let's try not to drench ourselves. Come on. Yes. Eat, baby. Eat. Sweet. That's fuel in. Nice. Right, so I have placed back the oil drain plug, and now it's time for some fresh engine oil. I will pour in about 6 liters. These engines take, I believe it's 6.5, but there's usually a little bit left in the pan. So we're gonna start it off with 6. That's a safe amount. By the way, I don't think I've shown this to you guys, but check out the infinity exhaust. Shout out to MMM Garage for that one. That was a funny day. Whoop. Perfect. Yes. Right, so this thing should in theory be charged. This thing is utterly dead. So let's swap him out. So this was my battery holder solution. Either way, it's not leaking now. Boom. Out with the old, in with the still old, but better. Sit. Well, ladies and gents, I think we're ready for the first start. On a nervous scale, I'd say I'm probably sitting at around 5 out of 10 nervous. It should start, at least. Let's go, let's try. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, okay. Out of gear. Whew. This is gonna be loud if it starts up. Woo! Yes. Woo! Let's open the door. Idling a little low it seems, but it doesn't sound like it's idling low. So definitely putting out too much fuel. Oh, but she's alive. She's alive, a little smoky. She hasn't run in a while. Oof, that smells like a whole lot of unburned fuel. Right, so to continue the video, what I'm gonna do next is I will be removing the hydro e-brake. So I have to basically disconnect the lines underneath the car. First, I'm gonna jack the car up a little higher because there ain't a whole lot of space there right now. So yeah, do that, and then disconnect the hydro from the interior and remove it. Which is a sad thing to do, especially since I know that in a couple of months' time I'll be sticking one right back into the car. But that's a different story. Also, the seat has to come out. Right, so I have jacked the car up, or should I say the back of the car is now in the air. She's sitting somewhat safely, I think. Doesn't seem to be going anywhere, so let's get underneath the car. This mess right here is the current routing for the hydro e-brake, and we essentially need to take this thing apart and reconnect it so the hydro is out of loop. Oh, right, so I don't really remember how the handbrake lines were routed in this car, and I don't really remember how this thing, whatever this is, came to be. But unless I'm mistaken terribly, what I want to do is connect these two bits, straight up just go ahead and connect them here. So this connects to this, and then the rest of the thing just comes off. I think it should work that way, or maybe it won't. Yeah, let's wrench. Right, so in theory, I think I have disconnected the handbrake. Well, I definitely have, and I think I've also reconnected the brakes. No way for me to check right now, but I think that's how it's supposed to go. Probably, hopefully. Either way, let's get back into the interior. Well, I'm gonna wash my hands because I'm a messy animal right now. And boom. Sweet. That's out now. And the car's almost legal. I don't think I'll be getting these pipes out. Yeah, that hole is too small, so I'll have to hide them from underneath. Shouldn't be much of a problem under that heat shield. This thing goes under the center console and is almost invisible, with the exception of these studs coming through. But I didn't have an issue with that last year. So the hydro is out. With a little bit of hammering and a couple of self-tappers, the underneath is looking basically original. All of the terrible illegal stuff known as the handbrake, all of that is now gone. Of course, I would never put a handbrake back on this car because it's illegal, and I'm a very good boy. That was easy enough. Suspiciously easy. Right, only like 10 minutes later, and to my surprise, the seat is ready to come out. I remember this being quite a bit of a headache when we installed it, but thanks to the fact that this comes from a coupe and it is reclinable, I was actually able to open all 4 bolts with the Yuga Duga. This is how we're living. I want the car to warm up properly just to make sure there are no surprises coming my way, but so far it seems to be running fine. Idle is fine, everything is fine. I'll let it run probably for like 20 minutes or so, see what's happening with the coolant temp, that type of stuff. But this solution is actually working pretty fine. Right guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.